Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn something new and exciting. We are going to talk about weight, balance, and airplanes. I'm going to take you somewhere very special, and we're going on a fun adventure. Come on, kids. Let me tell you all about weight, balance, center of gravity, and airplanes. The takeoff weight of an aircraft is necessary for estimating its trajectory and fuel consumption, and performance characteristics such as its rate of climb, endurance, and takeoff distance. Engineers try to make an aircraft as light as possible without compromising strength or safety. An overloaded aircraft may not leave the ground. If it does, it may show unexpected poor flight characteristics. When there is too much weight loaded on the aircraft, there is higher takeoff speed, decreased rate and angle of climb, lower maximum altitude, a shorter range, reduced drifting speed and mobility, and higher approach and landing speed. Too much weight in itself reduces the safety available for the pilot, and it becomes way too dangerous. If an engine fails on takeoff, it may be too late to reduce an aircraft's weight to keep it in the air. The weight of an aircraft can be changed by adjusting the fuel. Gasoline is about 6 pounds per gallon. Fuel burn is usually the only weight change that happens, therefore, the aircraft becomes lighter and performance is improved. Balance refers to the position of center of gravity of an aircraft and is important to stability and safety in flight. The center of gravity is a point at which the aircraft would balance if it was suspended at that point. The center of gravity is not necessarily a fixed point. Its position depends on the distribution of weight in the aircraft. The distance between the forward and the back limits of the position of center of gravity is certified for an aircraft by the manufacturer. Now, how do we calculate center of gravity? Well, we must know the maximum weight and the center of gravity range. List weight of aircraft, occupants, fuel, and baggage. Find moment for each item, find total weight and total moment, and finally, to find center of gravity, divide total moment by the total weight. There are other methods as well, like the graph method and the table method. The table method applies same principles as the first method. Information and limitations are contained in tables provided by the manufacturer. What is a moment? A moment is a force that causes or tries to cause an object to rotate. Moment is calculated by multiplying the weight of an object by its arm. The arm is the horizontal distance from a datum to the applied force. A datum is an imaginary vertical line from which all horizontal measurements of lines are taken. Once selected, all moment arms and location of center of gravity range are measured from this point. Well, kids, I hope you're listening and you learned a lot about weight, balance, and center of gravity. Now, class dismissed.